Whatever food you have on the table, you don't see what happens in the background. So just finding out how much work actually goes behind it was really interesting, and that just piqued my interest, I guess. My name's Greg and I work here as a field technician. Every day could be different. You could be out in the field doing scoring or harvesting, or you could just be in the warehouse cleaning grain, helping out in the labs. I really enjoy being outside. I wouldn't be able to work in an office. So to have that option of being a bit of outside and inside, that's what I like. At the moment, we're mostly based in the warehouse, but sowing will take a few weeks, and then scoring as well. We regularly got to check on the crops and score them and check on them and see at what stages they're at. We've got quite a few people who had nothing to do with agriculture before. And you're out in the field a lot, you're lifting things, you're out in the heat, pulling plants and all that. So definitely need to be not necessarily strong, but be prepared to be out there. Good organizational skills, planning the day, planning the season, there's just a lot happening. So as long as you've got a good plan and you know what you're doing, everything works well. And also, I would say probably being a bit technological savvy. We use computers, we use quite a few gadgets here and there. We currently have an arraying machine to crush the seed and test for genetics. We use the drones to scan the fields. It's all those new kind of technologies that we're using now just to be able to get the best yield, to get the best crop, to get the best grain out of it. We've obviously need more and more food for the world and for Australia as well, and it's just looking at growing more things, and yeah, it's always busy. So I think that at the end of the day, as long as you enjoy being outdoors and the agricultural side of things, just get into it. It's fun, it's interesting. There's a lot to learn, there's a lot to do. You meet great people, so just enjoy it, just be keen and yeah, get into it really.